welcome back to my channel. I haven't uploaded in
like months.
Since
ages,
December.
centuries.
Today I will be our photo shoot.
Cynthia's fucking white boys.
Not like anybody doesn't know. We all know Bella. And then TJ! He's been in my past vlog. The Size Matter vlog. Remember that vlog?
Doesn't matter, TJ?
It does matter, remember? Didn't we come to that conclusion? I don't know, I have to rewatch. Okay, so this is the behind the scenes of us taking pictures. We have my Polaroid and our Sonic drinks, my keys, and oh, those are dollar bills. Dollar bill.
Get at it.
Can you see my highlight? It's pink.
I didn't snap. Holy shit.
Hopefully Bella falls. With TD, Bella's wearing some boyfriend jeans from PacSun. What are those called? Your shoes? Oh, sorry, I don't know shoes.
I know they're Gores.
Stay like that, stay like that.
And then a top. Where's the top from?
Target.
Target. And then her chain and then her glasses. Here's my fit. Ow! I almost
You're just going on with the film on Bella, almost died.
I'm wearing Doc Martens. These like color block jeans from American Eagle and this top from Walmart.
Hey, more like that, that's sick.
There's little holes everywhere. Fuck that.
What the fuck are you talking about?
The tribe.
Yes. Kiss my ass.
Behind the scenes.
Keep doing it, Candy.
Let me see. Yes, I love those. Yes.
Let's see.
What a queen. I am holding all the drinks. My name is Gemma.
My name's Dane.
That's a bit odd. I like Harry Styles.
Side. That's all I was trying to
This is what we're arguing right now. Is that Bella's making TJ her bitch?
Bitch.
I never said you were my bitch.
You're kind of making me like it.
No, I was just like, I thought we were on teams since we're both Virgos.
Bella.
Wait, what?
I'm still like bitch.
Whenever Bella's trying to bitch him around, she says, right, TJ? Says, right, TJ, until TJ responds, yes.
Crazy, huh, TJ? Right, TJ? Right, TJ?
No, I let him drift my car.
What?
Hell yeah, boys! You know what the fuck's going on? TJ! Your car's gonna be fucked. Yeah, dude. Oh my god! You can't. You know the fucking vibe in this bitch. All the people over there are probably like, what the fuck are they doing? So we just got done with our shoot.
Shout out to TJ.
Yes, I'll fucking. I will be. The next clip would be the pictures that he took.
My show